So I took on the role of putting on the events and the gig. Excuse me, sorry, a bit of a cold. So I was learning about contracts. I learned about contracts as I was doing on the flyer, 12 quid. Then after the first, paint all that, flog that on my mate's store. Then I started trading guitars, put all that money into posters and within a year I was manager of the London Dungeon in London at the age of 19. Plastic bag factory, and I'm very adept at portfolio careers. Quite a thing, that portfolio thing. The front end of this symbol, because I pressed this record. I had a factory that pressed records at one stage. In fact, we pressed 60% hydraulic oil and He was begging me for a job. Yeah. Inventors, innovators, no one's telling me what to do for projects. 4 years into